Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's session I'll show how to change time zone using PowerShell. Before that, let's see how to change time zone using control panel. Control panel, clock and region, date and time, and under time zone, click on change time zone, and from this drop down we can change any time zone. We can go to any time zone. So this is how we can change time zone using control panel, and we can change time zone using taskbar also. And on the taskbar, right click on the time and just go to this adjust time, date and time. And from here, if you switch off this set time zone automatically, so from here also we can change the time zone. So for now, let's put this window aside, and now let's open this PowerShell. Now let's know why do we want to change time zone using PowerShell, because in few organizations they disable this control panel, so we don't have an option to change the time zone. But if the PowerShell is enabled, so using this PowerShell we can change the time zone. So let's see these commands. To know the current time zone which is in our system, the command is time zone util forward slash g. Using this command, we can know the current time zone that is set in our system. Uh, Now let's use the other command to see the list of time zones that are available. Time zone util forward slash and L. Using this command, you can see the list of time zones that are available. Uh, for now, let's take this Mountain Standard Time and copy this, and let's clear the screen first. And now let's change the time zone. To change the time zone, use this command tzutil forward slash save inverted commas open and inverted commas close and enter. And if you observe, the time zone has been changed here also. There are other commands also to change the time zone. The other command is get time zone. So using this command, we can see the current time zone. Uh, Using the same get time zone command, we can see the list. So the command is get time zone space list available and click enter. And using this command, we can see the list. These are the list of time zones which are available. To change the time zone, we have to copy this ID. So let's copy this and clear the screen first. And to change the time zone, we have to use this command set time zone ID inverted commas open close and enter, and the time zone has been changed. To verify if it is changed or not, let's use this command get time zone. Okay, now I'll change it to Indian Standard Time. So first let's see the list. Get time zone list available. So let's search for Indian Standard Time. It's 5:30. Yeah, now I got India Standard Time. So let's clear the screen. So observe the right screen here. Just to set the time zone, set time zone ID, paste the time zone and click enter. And you can see it has been changed to India Standard Time. And thanks for watching my video.